Right now, Americans are sitting on $1.25 trillion of credit card debt. That's a record. But here's the part that shocked me. It's not the debt itself that's destroying people. It's one specific habit almost every cardholder does without thinking twice. It's not overspending. It's not missing payments. It's something you've probably done this exact week, and by the end of this video, you'll never do it again. Stick around, because mistake number 2 on this list is the one nobody talks about, and it's silently costing the average person over $1,000 a year. Segment 1. The real numbers. Let's set the stage with what's actually happening in 2026. The average American now carries about $6,700 in credit card debt. The average interest rate on cards that carry a balance just hit 22%, Berger, a multi-decade high. And delinquencies, meaning payments that are 90+ days late year, just hit their highest level in 15 years. This isn't a small problem. This is a nationwide pattern, and almost all of it traces back to a handful of avoidable mistakes. Segment 2. Paying the minimum. The single biggest mistake is treating the minimum payment like it's a real payment. It's not. It's designed to keep you in debt as long as possible. Here's the math nobody shows you. If you owe $5,000 at 22% interest and only pay the minimum, it can take you over 15 years to pay it off, and you'll hand the credit card company more than $6,000 in interest alone. More than the original debt. The minimum payment isn't a safety net. It's a trap built into the system. Segment 3. The one nobody. Here's the one I teased at the start. Treating your credit limit like it's your budget. Just because the bank approved you for $10,000 doesn't mean you can afford to spend it. Your limit is based on your credit history, not your actual monthly income. This is exactly how people end up as revolvers, the industry term for cardholders who carry a balance every single month. Right now, about half of all American cardholders fall into that category, and they're the ones paying the full weight of that 22% interest rate. Your limit is not a green light. It's just a ceiling the bank set. Your actual budget is a completely separate number. Segment 4. Ignoring utilization. Third mistake, not knowing your credit utilization, how much of your available credit you're actually using. Most people don't realize this number alone can move your credit score more than almost anything else except payment history. The rule of thumb: stay under 30% of your limit and under 10% if you're trying to maximize your score before a mortgage or car loan. Maxing out a card, even if you pay it off in full every month, can still hurt you if the bank reports your balance right before it's due. Segment 5. The fix. So, here's how you actually fix all three. 1. Simi, pay more than the minimum, always, even if it's just an extra $20. 2. Set your own personal spending limit on every card that's based on your actual budget, not the number the bank gave you. 3. Check your utilization before your statement closes, not after, and pay down balances early if you need to. None of this requires a finance degree. It just requires knowing what the credit card companies are counting on you not to know. If this changed how you think about the card in your wallet right now, hit subscribe. I break down exactly how the American financial system really works. No fluff, every single week. Comment below and tell me, which mistake on this list have you made? I read every comment, and honestly, most people admit to at least 2. See you in the next video.